Jury service is one of the most unique privileges of being an American citizen. In fact, it is so important to our democracy that it's mentioned 3 times in our Constitution. Jury trials form the backbone of our justice system, providing everyone the right to have charges against them decided by a jury selected from their community. How do you become a juror? A person must be a U.S. citizen and a resident of the geographic area served by the court to be eligible for jury service. If you've ever voted, driven a vehicle, held a state ID, paid taxes, or received public benefits, you may be called for jury service. Courts randomly pull names from these lists to ensure the jury pool reflects the demographic diversity of their communities. This random selection process also ensures that jurors cannot be handpicked by the judge or the lawyers to try to reach a particular outcome. Once your name is selected, in most jurisdictions, you'll receive a summons requiring you to appear in court on a specific day, where you'll be placed in a jury pool for a particular case. The judge and attorneys ask questions to determine if you can be fair to both sides and listen to all the evidence before making up your mind. With nearly 150,000 jury trials taking place in state courts each year, and 5,000 more in federal courts, there's a real need for jurors. Nearly 2/3 of Americans live in communities with a one-day or one-trial system, meaning jurors report for service and are either selected to serve on a jury for one trial, or they're released after one day. And of course, all courts prohibit discrimination in jury service based on gender, race, ethnicity or national origin, religion, and physical disability. So, if you're selected, what happens next? The fate of a defendant being found guilty or not guilty in a criminal case, or liable or not liable in a civil case, rests in the hands of the jury. While the judge determines what evidence can be allowed in the courtroom and outlines the legal rules that jurors must follow, the jurors determine the facts and who should win the case based on those facts. This is why it's crucial for every member of the jury to listen, really listen, to all the evidence being presented. It's an honor and a privilege to enjoy the benefits of American citizenship. Not much is asked of us in return. But serving on juries is an important part of our obligation to our fellow citizens and to our country. And by serving, you will personally have a hand in ensuring justice in our courts. Thank you for doing your part.